Welcome back to another video. In the last video, we have configured done the redistribution between the OSPF and the BGP. In this video, we are going to do the redistribution between OSPF and RIP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my FTD now, device management. And edit on this one, and I will go back to my routing. Right, so I will go back to my RIP now. Go back to my redistribution tab, click on add, and I want to redistribute in OSPF. Process ID will be the 1, and click on OK. Click on save. Then I will go back to my OSPF, and I will go to the redistribution tab, and this time I will add, and I will say that I want to redistribute into RIP is not here. There is no RIP, so you cannot redistribute that one into RIP. So I need to find another way to do it. Right, my apologies. So I was on the RIP last time, so that's why it was not showing the RIP option. So this is where I was. So I just need to go to the OSPF now, and I will go to the redistribution tab, click on add, and I will redistribute into RIP, and click on OK and save. And now I will go ahead and I will deploy this one. And click on my FTD, deploy and deploy. So let's just wait until this has been deployed. Once this has been deployed, I will be back. Right, so I have deployed the configuration successfully. So I will go back to my FTD now. Not FTD, I will go back to my RIP router, and I will say that do show IP route. I should see the OSPF routes. So OSPF routes are 1 and 2. You can see that 1 and 11. So if I say that do ping 1.1.1 with source loopback 0, I am able to ping. If I say that do ping 11.11.11.11 with source loopback 1, I am able to ping. So I have successfully redistributed OSPF with RIP. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.